Do I have your permission to share this video in my online DAT course, Assessment of Movement Dysfunction?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Jair. Okay, so first we're starting supine. We will go prone, so starting with the right arm, go ahead and flip over to your stomach. Okay, now I want you to flip back onto your back with the right arm first. Okay, now we're gonna do the left side. So flip to your stomach using your left arm. And back. Okay, now we're gonna do your lower body. Let's flip from your back to your stomach using your right side first. Okay, and flip on back. Right leg first. Okay, now the other side. And back.